like are they healthy or unhealthy? We will check.